Howdy, folks. You want to know how to get perfect lip sync with MiniMax H3 every single time? If so, you came to the right place. Main thing I noticed in the official guide is to use angled brackets to reference the audio in prompt. Now, to get that pretty lady to sing, I referenced the audio file in the prompt with the lyric, just like this.
Well, pulled off the highway, found a little cafe. Well, jukebox jumping on a Saturday.
I tried it out on a few musical instruments myself, but the results were about as pleasant as stepping square into a fresh cow patty.
Woo!
That's all she wrote for now. I gotta get back to my day job. Thanks for watching.